Interactive click-through demos and auto-playing product videos are not the same tool. They convert differently, they behave differently across channels, and treating them as interchangeable is quietly costing pipeline. Clickable demos from tools like Storylane and Arcade reward high-intent visitors. Someone already curious will click, explore, and self-qualify. But on a cold landing page, most visitors never take that first click. Auto-playing video meets them where they are, tells the story without asking for effort, and pulls a decision out of a passive scroll. Now look at where your traffic actually lives. X, LinkedIn, Product Hunt, mobile email, embedded previews. These surfaces are built for video that plays in line. An interactive demo on a phone becomes a cramped iframe, tiny hotspots, and a tap target that competes with the native scroll. On social, an embedded demo usually collapses into a still image and a link. The medium punishes interactivity and rewards motion. So the honest read is this: interactive demos still belong deep in your funnel, on pricing pages and sales follow-ups. But at the top, and on every social channel, you need a video. That is where Ngram changes the math. On ngram.com, you start with one product walkthrough, a rough screen recording, a URL, or even a PDF. Then you talk to the Agentic chat interface the same way you would brief a teammate. Tell it the audience, the goal, and the destination. Ngram plans the story first. You see the script and the storyboard before anything renders. Ask it to shorten scene 2, tighten the hook, or lead with the outcome, and it rewrites in place. No restarts, no timeline scrubbing. When you generate, the polish is automatic. Smart Zoom lands on every click. Dead air and fumbles get cut. Cursor emphasis, callouts, and step labels appear where the viewer needs them. VoiceOver is generated on brand. Your brand kit, logo, colors, fonts, intro and outro is enforced on every frame. Here's the part growth and sales teams should pay attention to. From that same project file, Ngram exports the assets your funnel actually needs. A 16:9 launch video for your landing page, a 9:16 cut for LinkedIn, X, and Product Hunt, a 1:1 for email and paid social, and a pitch-ready slide deck for outbound and sales follow-up, pulled from the exact same walkthrough. That is the hybrid strategy. Keep your interactive demo for the buyer who is ready to click. Use Ngram to produce the video that earns attention everywhere else, and the deck that closes the room, from one source of truth. Minutes, not days. Craft, not generic. Control, not chaos. Teams at HubSpot, Zapier, Deel, and Rocket Mortgage already build this way. Try Ngram for free at ngram.com.